Are you looking for the best herb grinders? In this video, we will break down the top 5 herb grinders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Kozo Best Herb Grinder. One of the notable upgrades is the removable mesh screen, which became deeper. The strong magnetic lid is another reason why this is an impressive choice. Even if you shake the grinder and turn it around, the lid will stay closed. It also comes with a unique design on the top and the bottom. This allows you to grip it easily. Such a design also makes it effortless to open the lid. This 2.5-inch grinder is made of premium materials. The body is aluminum alloy, which is durable. The teeth, on the other hand, are made in such a way that the sharpness remains. It is also easy to clean. At number 2. iRainy, 5-piece, Spice Herb Grinder. This grinder is a 5-piece unit with 4 separate chambers, including 2 different knife catchers. You can have 2 different ongoing keef collections, one for normal keef, and one for superfine keef. Keef is a part of the cannabis resin glands that's packed with cannabinoids and terpenes. For more on keef, check out the end of this article. The unit comes with a knife scraper to shovel up little heaps of it, when you're ready for an extra helping of THC. If you don't care to separate your knife into 2 different chambers, you don't need to keep the second screen and chamber on there. You can downsize this grinder simply by unscrewing the 3rd chamber, and screwing the grinder back together. Either way, you're probably going to enjoy that knife at some point. At number 3. Golden Gate Grinders 4-piece Herb Grinder Set. The Golden Gate grinders are made of anodized, aircraft-grade aluminum, making them extremely durable. These grinders have CNC machined, diamond-shaped and precisely cut teeth, which will grind the herbs finely without shredding them. They are made of 4 pieces and 3 compartments, and the fine micron stainless steel mesh should provide the fine strain of the herbs. In addition, the sifter is made of steel mesh, which will allow any herb material to be extremely fine and great in quality after going through it. As for the design, it looks great, but some improvements could be made, especially when it comes to size. The size is limited only to no more than 2.5-inch diameter, and it only comes in one color. At number 4. Kingtop Herb Spice Grinder Large 3.0-inch Rose Gold. Kingtop Herb Grinder is a large grinder that has a good capacity that will hold your herbs well to allow you to grind with ease. It is made of a durable zinc alloy material that is resistant to scratches and offers you the best performance. Has a 45-shaped sharp teeth that makes grinding smooth and consistent. Furthermore, the grinder comes in 4 pieces with a pollen filter, where it keeps the herbs inside and prevents you from dumping the herbs out on a paper or tray. The herb grinder features a magnetic lid that helps to reduce spilling. It is equipped with sharp teeth and glide rings that make grinding smooth and fast. This is the best grinder that you can use to grind spices, herbs, or buds without leaving large amounts. At number 5. Magical Butter Machine MB2E Botanical Extractor. Since it is electrical, the Magical Butter MB2E Botanical Extractor machine is easy to operate. At the touch of a button, you will be able to quickly process your weed. It is controlled by a microprocessor to ensure what comes out is great tasting. In short, you get the authentic aroma of weed no matter the base oil you choose. One thing that worries most users of weed grinders is the ease of cleaning. For the manually operated devices, you have to open inside to get rid of any dirt.